Rule 1, don't defend your intent. Hurt brains hear excuses as more hurt. First, validate. Say, I saw you flinch. Not I didn't mean to. That's emotional validation. Rule 2, lower your cortisol first. High stress blocks empathy. Breathe 6 seconds. Regulate yourself before repairing. A calm nervous system calms theirs too. It was an accident. Third rule, take responsibility for impact. Intent doesn't undo harm. I was careless. Say what you actually did. I yelled, not I got frustrated. Name the behavior. What do you need? Ask, what helps you feel safer with me? Offer choices. That's autonomy repair. Don't guess. Ask. Then do what they say, not what you'd want. Promise one specific change. I will pause before I speak. Not, I'll try harder. Write it down. Verbal promises fade. Written ones rebuild trust faster. Repair works when they feel heard, not when you feel forgiven. Big difference. Oops, my bad. 3 rules. Validate, regulate, repair with action. That's how trust rebuilds.